Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to your English class. Dear students, how was the paper? How did you do your exam? Was it easy? Hope you all have done your exam very well. Okay, dear students. So this is how your question paper goes. Right? It was easy. I hope you all have done good. Dear students, so next we have to move on. Right? So next you have, that is a poem. Okay, so there is a poem. Before moving to the poem, let us discuss something, dear students. Like, tell me, we have to be in a good condition, right? So what we have to do to be in a good condition, like good health? Keeping good health is very important to us, right? And you have to maintain your organs which is there, like kidney, respiratory system, everything which is there inside our body. Okay, we have to look after that also, right? If we look after that very well, they will keep us healthy. So dear students, tell me what you have to take that keeps you healthy. Like, what all the things that you have to do to keep your body healthy. What you have to do? You have to eat this junk foods. Junk foods means eating pani puri, gobi manchuri, pizza, burger, like street side foods. You should eat that type of food to keep your body and health in a good condition. Then you should not at all drink water. You have to drink water once if you have breakfast, lunch and dinner. That's enough. Having a small glass of water is much enough to you. And what all the things you have to do? And you have to have this chocolates daily. Desserts, sweets. Desserts means what? Having this like a sweets itself. Pasta, sorry, not pasta. This pastry cakes. What are all there in the bakery items? That all you have to eat. Ice creams, chocolates, cakes. These all will help you to keep your health very good condition. Am I right, dear students? Is this the way you to keep your health in a good condition? What do you have to do? And see, you should not at all eat vegetables. Eating vegetables will destroy your organs which are there in the body. You should never eat vegetables. And never eat fruits also. That will what? Will do bad for your body. So you should not have such all the things. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? I am wrong. Because, dear students, to keep our health in a good condition, you should not at all eat street foods, junk foods, desserts, sweets, cakes, chocolates, pizza, burger, pasta, noodles. These all the things should not be eaten. You should not eat at all. You know why? Eating this pizza, burger, okay, like pasta, Maggi noodles will always disturb. It will not keep your body in a good condition. Okay. See, you need vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, D, everything to your body. What all the things? See, vitamin A, B, C, D, where we get this? From where do we get this, dear students? We get this from vegetables, right? So you all have to eat vegetables. Okay? Eating vegetables will keep your body and your whole mind, everything, the organs which are there in the body will work very neatly. You should have vegetables, fruits, okay? Daily you should eat and drink like juice. And dear students, you all have to drink nearly 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Got it? You have to drink 2 to 3 liters of water a day. If you drink more excess of water, all the dust, like what all the dust is there inside our body will come out through the sweat. Sweat means what? Bhevrtivalla navu. So that one. So if you sweat, all which are there, the dirt which are there in our body will get out of, like through the sweat. So you have to drink lots of water. Okay. See, heart, kidney, respiratory systems, lungs, intestines. Got it? These all has to work properly. Where they are present? They are present in our body itself. You have to see, our brain has to work properly. Eyes. By eating carrot, raw carrots, base ilde irohantadu. Raw carrots, if you eat daily, your eyes will be very, very good condition. You no need of wearing this specs and all. If you eat carrot. See, if you eat lady's finger, they will tell that your brain works genius. Raw. There are some vegetables which you can have without cooking also. What are they? Onions, carrot, cucumber, brinjal, not brinjal, sorry, lady's finger. Okay. And this nool kol, ask your mother, and radish, beetroot, tomato. There are so many vegetables which you can have without cooking, dear students. You can make the salad out of it and you can have. And not only vegetables, you have to have fruits also. You all know that is a very big saying that an apple, see, keeps a doctor away. That is something saying, right? If you eat one apple a day, per day, okay, you will not have any diseases. Okay, if you eat one apple, that helps you a lot. You no need of going to doctor and showing that I'm not well, I'm not ill. See, I'm not good, so I have running nose, headache, that, this and all. Okay, so what you have to do? Not only eating daily apple, like you have so many fruits, which keeps you very, very good. So you all have to do is stop eating this junk food, street foods. Okay, that is good in once in a month, or okay, you can have that 2 months once. Okay, 3 months twice you can have, not but daily. See, don't eat daily, dear students. Maggi noodles, this pastas and all is made up of maida, wheat, right? So that doesn't gives you a strength. You have to read, write homework, play with your friends. You have so much of work to do. What is the work? As I said now, reading, writing, playing. These are all the works you have to do by yourself. If you keep eating this pasta, Maggi noodles, okay, gobi manchuri, pani puri, you will not get the strength. Okay, so you should not have that foods. Got it? And never ever eat chocolates daily. Eating chocolates will destroy your teeth. This is very important for us, right, dear students? Enik important. We have to have the food by this mouth itself, and you have to bite the food. Okay, so when you bite it, it will grind very well and then we can swallow. Okay, or else if there is no teeth, you will find very difficult to eat. Right, so by eating chocolates, what will happen? All the small insects will eat off all your the teeth and all, and you will face very lot problems. So don't eat chocolates much. Okay. See, you can have that also in twice week once. Okay, week once or 2 weeks once or that is enough, dear students. Eating much. See, eating all the things very much will also destroy. So you have to maintain diet. Okay. So dear students, so there is a poem. Okay. Before moving to the poem, I will tell you the word splash. You know word splash? Yes, you all know that. If I tell the word splash, you will be, my ma'am will always be telling, read word splash, read word splash. Very tensed. Because reading word splash will help you to improve your knowledge. You will be knowing very different words and its meanings also. Okay, dear students, now let us move on to the poem. Before that, we'll look into few words and its meanings. Dear students, so name of our poem is Mother Earth's Children. What is the meaning, Mother Earth's Children? Earth andre, you know, that is Bhumi, right? Mother Earth's children means who? Bhumi Tai, right? So, children, who are the children? We are also the children, including the vegetables which grow inside the earth, right? Yes. So, that is Mother Earth's children. The first word is, dear students, is plumpness. What is plumpness? Plumpness is nothing but being fat. Fat means dappa. So, being fat. Plumpness means being fat. You can see the vegetables. There are so many vegetables which are very fat. Right? Tell me the names which are very fat. Beetroot is fat. Gundu gunduke, right? And you can see this cabbage, cauliflower. And you can see onion also quite bit fat. Not much fat. And pumpkin. There are so many vegetables which are, they are also very fat. So, what is plumpness? It's being a fat. Okay. Prone means most likely to be. Prone means what? Most likely to be. So, what it is mean is same. Onde tara irodu. Okay. Yenge same. See, you can see this. Onions, radish, all will have the grass. Okay. Leaves, very big leaves, thin leaves, will all be the changes, right? Yes. Okay. So what it is? Most likely means, see, prone means most likely to be, dear students. Okay. So next, dear students, is snugly. Tightly or very cozy. Snugly means tightly. Okay. So, or very cozy. Delighted means happy. What is the meaning of delighted? It's happy. To be happy. So, once I'll repeat the words. Plumpness, being fat. Prone, most likely to be. Snugly, tightly or very cozy. Delighted means happy. So, next, dear students, here we will go to see the other words. Okay. So, in this, you have fair. Fair. See, this is the word fair. So, what it is? What is the meaning of fair? Fair here in the poem is pretty, attractive. Fair lady is an expression for attractive women from Old English. See, from Old English, Hale English, Hale Kannada we will tell, right? It's different. When you read, it's very difficult to read Hale Kannada. Okay, so we were also having this Old English. So in Old English, fair means it is attractive women. Okay. Madam Beet means, the next word, Madam Beet means Madam Beetroot. Madam is a little title used for a married French woman. So Madam is a title used for a French married woman. Okay. This position is nature. What is it? Nature. Got it? Okay. So these are the words, dear students. Now, let us move on to the poem, Mother Earth's Children. Dear students, I'll just read out the poem once. Okay, before that, see. You know that to make a burger, sandwich, And what burger and healthy sandwich we need, right? What all we want? We add vegetables to that, right? Sandwiches, for doing sandwiches and all, we will add fresh vegetables to that. Is there any other food that can be made healthy by adding vegetables? And think about it and share your thoughts with your classmates. Okay. So is there any other food that can be added, made healthy by adding vegetables? By adding vegetables, any other food can be made. Yes, you can make. Salad is there. And I forgot to tell you, dear students, you know grains. Kalugalu, kadle kalu, and hesru kalu. Yes, alasandi kalu. These are all the grains. You have to even eat the grains. See, you can have this kadle kalu and hesru kalu that you can eat by raw itself. You have to soak it in water for few hours, like 8 hours. If you soak it in the night, okay, or else this is better than that. What it is soak it in the morning. Okay, your mother will be knowing that very well. Okay, and by evening you can see all the grains which are there will be very soft. Okay, you can have it like that only. Okay, and one thing, if you take out of the water, okay, the grains you should take out of the water and take a clean cloth, tie up and keep it in a box. You can see, you open in the morning, you can see something growing in, okay, molake tara, you can see which is coming out. If you have that also grains, it's very good to your health, dear students. Your mama will be preparing everything to you, but you are very, very bad students. You will not like such type of food. You have to eat. Practice eating very, very fresh and good, which keeps your body in a good condition. Such type of foods only you have to have, dear students. Okay, now let us move on to the poem. Little Miss Radish, pretty thing, has her birthday in the spring. She and the little onions play out in the garden all the day. Said Spinach, in my dress of green, I'm just as happy as a queen. I am truly glad that I am good for little baby's early food. The carrot ladies love to go to church on Sundays in a row, and tall or short, each lady fair wears a green feather in her hair. Everyone knows, said Madam Beat, my disposition's very sweet. And though to plumness I am prone, my color's every bit mine own. Banana wears a yellow coat, buttoned quite snugly round his throat. He comes from where it's warm, you see, and feels cold more than you or me. Here's apple, loved by young and old, and sometimes worth his weight in gold. We hail him with delighted cries when he comes to us baked in pies. Dear students, see, these are all the vegetables. You have noticed while I am reading, you've come across radish, onions, carrots, spinach, beetroot, banana and apple. Okay, so this is the poem. Little Miss Radish, pretty thing. Have you all know this radish? What is radish? Is nothing but mulangi. Okay, how it will be? See, dear students, radish also will be there like some, let me tell you. See, it will be like this only. It will be in a white color. Okay, color will be white. Okay, so you can see the leaves, big leaves will be there in the top of radish. The radish means it will be in a white color. Okay, you can see the leaves will be there in green color. Whereas carrot, you can see, you know it's very, you will like having carrot, dear students, right? So carrot, as you all know, that will be in a red or orange type color, and you can see the This leaves will be there in green only. So here I'll just introduce first Little Miss Radish, pretty thing, has a birthday in the spring. Whom do you find in the spring season, dear students? In spring season, you will find Little Miss Radish. Radish is nothing but Mulangi. Okay, in spring season, you will find radish. Okay, so that will grow in the spring season only. So it's when is radish birthday? It's on spring season. It's in spring season because in spring season only we can see radish much. She and the little onions play out in the garden all day. Onions also will grow in the spring season only, dear students. Okay, onions and radish will play out in the garden all day. Okay, who will play? Radish and onions. Onions are nothing but ulagadi you tell. Okay, so onions and radish will play out in the garden all the day. In which time? In spring seasons. Whom do you find in spring season? You find Little Miss Radish. Okay. With radish, whom do you find? Onions. Got it? Dear students, so see, this is the figure which is given here. But this is radish will be in white color. Much will be there in white color only. You can see the onions here. Onion. See the leaf. How it is. See radish leaf. The top who are standing are pretty thing. Pretty ladies who are there. That is radish. We can see them in the orange color. Who is this? This is spinach. Okay. So, radish and onions will be found in springtime season. Okay. And next is said spinach. In my dress of green, I am just as happy as a queen. I am truly glad that I am good for little baby's early food. Dear students, spinach ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ ಏನಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತೆ? Spinach will tell that in my dress of green. How will be the spinach? Spinach is nothing but palak. Palak soppu, greens. Palak soppu antivi. So spinach is nothing but greens. In my dress of green, I am just as happy as queen. I am happy. I am very happy in my own dress. I look as a queen. Queen means who? Rani. Okay. So spinach is telling that I look very pretty in my own dress. I look as a queen. I am truly glad that I am good for little babies' early food. So I am very, very useful for little babies. Okay. So when the spinach is little baby, we can have that also. And if it is grown also, you can have palak. That is spinach is very good for your health, dear students. Okay. Spinach is a leaves, green leaves. Okay. That contains much water. It keeps all the thing very good in condition. Got it? Hope you all have understood this, right? Okay, dear students. We'll continue this in the next class. Until that, I want you to read very well. Okay. Dear students, is there any other food that can be made healthy by adding vegetables? I have asked you the question. I want you to answer this and submit it to the school. Is there any other food that can be made healthy by adding vegetables? By adding vegetables, is there any other food that can be made very healthy? I want you to write down 5 names. Okay, you have to write down 5 names and submit it to the school. That is your homework. Okay, got it? Yes, dear students. We'll meet in the next class. Thank you.